Today we're going to be talking about menu setup. More specifically, we're going to be talking about menus. So here I'm going to click menus on the left side. What will pop up are the menus that have already been created. So here, for example, we have all day menu, bar menu. We also have the times where this menu is active, and you have the availability of the menu. So since it says available, this menu will be seen in between these times. You also have the edit button on the right side, which I'm going to click here for all day menu. What's going to pop up is a menu name, which you can edit, as well as the times that it is available to be seen on Order App. And if it is available, make sure to click this on or off when creating these menus. You now see the categories that are assigned to the all day menu. So you have your popular items, your appetizers, for example, and you have the products associated with each category that can also be checked on or off depending on what you want to be seen. If we click availability on the left side, you can see more editing and customization depending on your preference. So you have the dates which can be edited where you want the menu to be seen, as well as the times for the menu. You also have days. So say you're closed on Sundays and Mondays, you can select all and check off Sunday and Monday so they are not available for that time. We're going to go back to menus, and on the right side, we're going to do a quick menu creation tutorial. So we're going to click add menu, and you can see here you can create the menu by putting the name in and the times you want it to be visible on Order App. Make sure to click is available so that it can be seen. And just like before, you can click the categories assigned with said menu as well as the products associated with the category. Okay, thank you very much.